Hello, my friends. Brett Pattison here with IGGA Global Advisors, coming at you from the financial capital of the West. That is Salt Lake City, Utah. Thanks for taking a few minutes of your time today to address a very important topic. That topic is why people often fail in the world of investing. And the number one reason why they fail is because they're human. Let me explain. So why would I say that being human is a problem when you're investing and trying to build long-term wealth? I'll explain why. It's because as humans, we're focused on the short term. Ever since the beginning of man, humans have been focused on the short term, meaning they have a survival instinct, right? They're trying to get through the next day, the next month, the next 6 months. They're looking for food, they're looking for shelter. That's how we survived. That's how we began. And that instinct is carried forward to this day for most humans. In fact, studies have shown that the focus for most people is 6 months ahead. Now think about that for a second. If you're investing for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, that 6-month time frame, it could get in the way of you accomplishing your financial goals. Let me illustrate. This is a famous cycle that we've actually mentioned before on a few little videos. But this is what we go through as investors. We go through, on the far left, optimism, excitement, thrill, euphoria as we make money. You say, I'm a genius. My advisor's a genius as we make money. And then as the market falls, we feel anxiety, denial, fear, desperation, panic. We then get despondent and depressed. And you say to yourself, well, maybe the markets aren't for me, or my advisor is horrible. You know, one of those two things. And here's the thing with that is that point to where you're despondent and depressed is a very important place for you to understand that's not the place to sell. That is the place to buy. And I'm not going to get into that discussion today, but I will tell you what you need to do and what we can help you do is identify that threshold. It's different for everybody. Your portfolio could be down 20%, and that's your threshold. 10%, 40%, 50%. Some people are okay risking more than that, but you have to know what that level is so that you can then build a portfolio that matches you, your feelings, your comfort level. Because there will become a time, I'm telling you right now, there will be a time to where all of you are tested on that level. And it may happen next month. Could happen in 6 months. We don't know when that will happen. The important thing is that you understand what is that level, and then as an advisor, my role is to talk you through it, because everyone's going to experience those feelings. And as an advisor, our role, as one of my favorite drawings from Carl Richards, our role is to help you from making that big mistake of selling when it's the worst time to sell, or doing something else because of the way you feel. And we totally get it. Feelings are natural. But I'm telling you, we can help you we'll help prevent you from making that big mistake. Contact us. You can see there at the bottom of the screen, www.igga.com is our website. There's our contact information, brett@igga.com for myself, or for Brian, my partner, brian@igga.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Successful investing.
This is a purely public broadcast and is not intended to be personalized financial advice for any individual's specific situation. Each individual's financial situation is unique, and the topics discussed on this broadcast should not be relied upon and/or considered as personalized advice. Specific financial securities discussed are not intended to address any listener's particular financial situation and should not be considered recommendations. This is for educational purposes only. For more information, please contact IGGA Global Advisors at info@igga.com or by calling 888-591-0334.